Here's to the many years ahead in your new vehicle. Part of your ownership responsibility as described in your owner's manual is to maintain your vehicle according to the manufacturer's recommended service schedule. With a Hello maintenance plan, it's easy to stay on track. We offer 3 different maintenance plans, from doing just your regular oil and filter changes and tire rotations, to covering additional wear items such as engine and cabin air filters, wiper blades, and brake pads. Regardless of the package level you choose, you'll benefit from the following savings. You'll save about 10 to 20% off the retail price of the services. You avoid potential future price increases due to inflation. You don't pay tax on the services. Roll the cost into your monthly payment, and your only auto expense may be at the pump. In addition, by bringing your vehicle back to Hello Auto for your regular scheduled maintenance, you'll enjoy extra perks like getting your service and inspections performed by factory-trained technicians and receiving a video of your inspection with every service. Maintenance plans are available for both new and pre-owned vehicles for up to 5 years and 75,000 miles. For extra savings, you can combine your maintenance plan with a vehicle service contract to not only cover your scheduled maintenance, but also avoid out-of-pocket expenses for covered repairs. Like all of Hello's coverage options, our maintenance plan is designed to keep you safe, on the road, and driving worry-free.